CUKTECH has released a new car charger, featuring an integrated retractable cable and support for both 65 watts PD fast charging and Xiaomi's 90 watts Surge fast charge. In addition to the built-in cable, it includes one USB-A port and one USB-C port, each supporting up to 33 watts output. Combined with the retractable cable, the charger offers 80 watts plus 20 watts and 65 watts plus 33 watts power distribution configurations. The front of the packaging displays the product name, an image of the device, 100 watts, and powered by CUKTECH. The back of the packaging shows usage scenarios along with the product specifications. The package includes the car charger and a user manual. It comes in a silver gray color scheme with a block-shaped design at the end. The model is CC903P, and it supports a 12 to 24 volts, 9.5 amps input. Single port output. USB-C retractable cable, 5, 9, 12, 15 volts 3 amps, 20 volts 3.25 amps, 5 to 11 volts 5 amps, 5 to 20 volts 5 amps, up to 90 watts. USB-C port, 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 3 amps, 5 to 11 volts 3 amps, up to 33 watts. USB-A port, 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 2 amps, 5 to 11 volts 3 amps, up to 33 watts. With all three ports in use simultaneously, the total output reaches 100 watts. The side features one USB-A port, one USB-C port, and a USB-C retractable cable. The retractable cable's connector slot features a magnetic design, making it easy to store. The digital display is located on the top, with CUKTECH printed above it. It can monitor the vehicle's voltage. This is the digital display reading under a 14 volts power supply. It can also display the output power. The length of the car charger is about 96.11 millimeters, 3.78 inches. The width is about 48.62 millimeters, 1.91 inches. The thickness is about 30.24 millimeters, 1.19 inches. The length of the retractable cable is about 68 centimeters, 26.77 inches. The weight is about 77 grams, 2.72 ounces. Under a 24 volts DC input, the ChargerLAB Power ZKM003C indicates that the retractable cable supports QC 3.0, QC4+, FCP, SCP, AFC, PD 3.0, PPS, DCP, and Apple 2.4 amp charging protocols. It also supports Xiaomi's 90 watt Surge fast charge. It features 5 fixed PDOs of 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 3 amps, 12 volts 3 amps, 15 volts 3 amps, and 20 volts 3.25 amps, along with a PPS voltage level of 5 to 11 volts 5 amps and a Xiaomi proprietary fast charging level of 5 to 20 volts 4.5 amps. The USB-C port supports UFCS, QC 3.0, FCP, SCP, AFC, DCP, and Apple 2.4 amps charging protocols. The USB-A port supports the same charging protocols as the USB-C port. Under a 14 volts DC input, testing shows that the USB-C retractable cable also supports QC 3.0/4+, FCP, SCP, AFC, PD 3.0, PPS, DCP, and Apple 2.4 amps charging protocols. It also supports Xiaomi's 90 watt Surge fast charge. It features 5 fixed PDOs of 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 3 amps, 12 volts 3 amps, 15 volts 3 amps, and 20 volts 3.25 amps, along with a PPS voltage level of 5 to 11 volts 5 amps and a Xiaomi proprietary fast charging level of 5 to 20 volts 4.5 amps. The USB-C port supports UFCS, QC 3.0, FCP, SCP, AFC, DCP, and Apple 2.4 amps charging protocols. The USB-A port supports the same charging protocols as the USB-C port. Next, let's take it apart to see its internal components and structure. Remove the L-shaped side cover, which is secured with clips. Continuing, the disassembly reveals the main control PCB. The PCB is secured with screws. Remove the PCB. The retractable cable module is located underneath. This is the magnet used to hold the retractable cable connector in place. The input section uses a separate small PCB, which is connected to the main control PCB via wires. The retractable cable module is connected to the PCB via a ribbon cable, with the solder joints reinforced using adhesive. Separate the input PCB. The front side reveals a solid capacitor for input filtering. The back side is equipped with an SMD fuse. Close-up of the input SMD fuse. The solid capacitor has a specification of 35 volts, 220 microfarads. The front side of the main control PCB features a synchronous buck boost controller, protocol chips, VBUS MOSFETs, inductors, and solid capacitors. The back side contains a synchronous buck converter, synchronous buck boost MOSFETs, and an MCU. This solid capacitor is from Beryl, with a specification of 35 volts, 100 microfarads. The synchronous buck boost controller for the USB-C retractable cable is from Polycon, model PL5501. It supports a wide input voltage up to 32 volts and a continuous load current of 20 amps. It operates in buck, boost, and buck boost modes using constant on-time control to achieve excellent load and voltage regulation. The switching frequency is programmable at 150 kHz, 300 kHz, 600 kHz, or 1.2 MHz. The device comes in a QFN 4x4mm 32 package. The accompanying 4 synchronous buck boost MOSFETs are from PY, model PW055N04ESL. They are NMOS devices with a 40 volts voltage rating and come in a DFN 5x6mm package. The buck boost inductor is insulated and protected with a heat shrink sleeve. This solid capacitor for output filtering is from Beryl, with a specification of 25 volts, 220 microfarads. The protocol chip for the USB-C retractable cable is from Ingenic, model IP2723T. It has been certified by the USBIF Association for PD 3.0 PPS, TID 3135, and is an integrated fast-charging protocol IC for USB output ports. It supports a wide range of fast-charging protocols, including USB Type-C DFP, PD 2.0/3.0, PPS, HVDCP QC4, QC4+, QC 3.0/2.0, FCP, SCP, AFC, MTKP plus 2.0/1.1, Apple 2.4 amps, BC 1.2, and Samsung 2.0 amps. On the right side is a TVS diode for the USB-C female port, providing ESD protection. It provides a complete Type-C solution for unidirectional output applications such as adapters and car chargers. In addition, the IP2723T features high integration and rich functionality, requiring minimal external components, which effectively reduces the overall solution size and lowers BOM costs. The output bus MOSFET is from Vergiga, model VS3618B. It is an NMOS with a voltage rating of 30 volts, an on resistance of 5.2 milliohms, and comes in a PDFN 3x3x3 package. The synchronous buck converter for the USB-A and USB-C ports is from Southchip, model SC8110, and comes in a QFN 32 package. Close-up of the accompanying buck inductor. The solid capacitor for the buck output filtering is from Beryl, with a specification of 16 volts, 220 microfarads. The protocol chip for the USB-A and USB-C ports is from HYACC, model HYC5323UB. It is a high-performance, highly integrated power delivery and dual-port controller. It integrates multiple fast-charging protocols, including BC 1.2 DCP, Apple 2.4 amps, QC 2.0/3.0/3.0+, AFC, FCP, SCP, UFCS, and P plus 1.1/2.0. The chip comes in a QFN 4mm x 4mm 32 package. The MCU is from Semicon, model SC8F073. It is a high-performance, highly integrated 8-bit microcontroller, supporting up to 16 MHz operation and a wide voltage range of 1.8 volts to 5.5 volts. It integrates 4K by 16-bit ROM and 128 bytes EEPROM for convenient data storage. The chip offers rich peripheral resources. It features 5 high-precision 10-bit PWM channels with complementary output, making it well-suited for motor control, 1 UART communication module and a 12-bit high-precision ADC ensure reliable communication and accurate analog signal acquisition. Additionally, it includes 2 built-in comparators, multiple timers, and various interrupt sources. Combined with an industrial-grade operating temperature range of -40°C to 85°C, it is an ideal choice for a wide range of smart control applications. Close-up of the digital display. The case of the retractable cable module is secured with screws. The other side is fitted with cushioning foam. Disassemble the retractable cable module. Close-up of the PCB slip ring. The spool is equipped with 3 brushes to increase current carrying capacity. Well, those are all components of the CUKTECH 10100 watts car charger with retractable cable.